Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tim the Great and I build my body right at home. But look, if you work out at home and you're not seeing results, it's because you're not following a structured plan and you're doing random workouts. That's why you stay stuck. I fix all of that in my program. It's time for you to follow a real system that's going to lead to you getting real results. Transform your body in 30 days just by clicking that link in the description down below. But look, guys, I've been working out for 5 years. 5 years, guys. So don't think that you just going to start seeing results right away. You got to continue to show up. It's an everyday grind, whether you feel like working out or not. You got to continue to show up. Now, you might come across my video or somebody else's video and it gets you in that mood of working out. That's cool. But what you going to do when you don't feel like working out? When you're not in the mood to work out? Is you going to show up? Is you going to have that discipline to hit the gym after that long day at work? If you guys don't understand the hard work, the discipline that I had to put in to look, to be able to build this physique, to build this body. I'm just going to play this whole workout video for you guys. Hope you guys get motivated by it, inspired by it. And make sure you guys like my video, comment, subscribe if you have not. Follow me on all my social media. Alright fam, so I'm just ready to get my second workout session in, but I'm gonna end the video off right here, man. If you made it this far, make sure you guys like the video, comment, and also subscribe. Look guys, the social media is going crazy, so make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. Workout program will be in the description down below, guys. Transform your physique, your body in 30 days and get in the best shape as possible just at home. But it's your boy DM the Great. I love you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and I'm out.